the Supreme Court in United States in
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a day in my life as a law student. I usually wake up at 7 and the first thing I do after I wake up is come up at the terrace and enjoy the fresh air and also look around. After spending 15 minutes at terrace, I get inside my room and do some of my college works. I usually carry lunch with me at college, so by 8 AM I start cooking. And within 15 minutes my lunch gets ready. And by 8:30 I get fresh up. So after I'm done dressing up, I like to take some time to prep myself and do my daily basic routine. And yeah, not to forget sunscreen. So the most annoying thing ever is to set my hair as it is all growing out. Before I leave my room, I pick up my bags and make sure that I carry all my register, bare axe, the most important thing. So by 9:15, I walk out of my room and I go to college every day with one of my friends who lives nearby me. So my class starts at 9:30 till 3:30 every Monday to Saturday.
This is a parking area. That they are only in a class and they have called us in the seminar hall. So let's go. क्या बोल दूँ? my god. Guys, this is seminar hall. First period is already got over and we're waiting for the next teacher to come over and teach us. So we are still waiting for the teacher and it's second period and I'm already hungry because I did not have my breakfast. So I have a little snack over here. It's a banana and my friend just got some biscuit.
The opinion is not relevant for this examination. 41st and 48th report of Proposition of India, this is relevant. अब देखिए हम इस सेक्शन को पढ़ते हैं, इसका फोन कर रहा है। अगर हम इस सेक्शन को पढ़ते हैं, पूरा पढ़ेंगे अगर हम इस सेक्शन को, इसमें देखिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है फर्स्ट इसका सब सेक्शन 1 है।
The Supreme Court in United States in factor FAC
Now, अभी खाना खा रहे हैं, but we came to know that हमारा क्लास नहीं है और तो लंच करने के बाद घर जा रही हूँ। Hi. This is the lunch which I made in the morning. This is our building. This is the floor. This is the This is the university campus and this building is the food court where everyone can eat lunch. This is the cafeteria area that everyone likes to chill out with their friends. Hello. एक चीज बता. What is the most bad thing about Dehradun? I mean, क्या प्रॉब्लम्स आती है? व्हीकल्स की आती है ना? व्हीकल्स की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है Dehradun.
प्रॉब्लम है ना, रात के बाद नहीं मिलता।
हाँ. We have to keep on waiting here for at least like 10 or 15 minutes. Sometimes मिल भी नहीं जाते. तो तुम पीछे लौट के जाओगी प्रेमनगर से जाओगी सेलेकोई. It's very hard time. Seriously. So the most convenient way is to get
So that's it for today guys. Hope you all enjoyed the video and can relate how hectic it is. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.